Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that combines comfort, durability, and design for professionals who spend long hours on their feet. Introducing the Pneumatic Swivel Rolling Saddle Chair with ergonomic back support. This versatile chair is ideal for hairstylists, dental hygienists, massage therapists, and anyone who needs both mobility and support during their workday. So let's get into the details and see if this chair lives up to the claims. This chair features an exclusive ergonomic saddle design aimed at promoting proper posture and reducing the strain on your back and spine. It's specifically engineered to alleviate discomfort during extended periods of sitting, which is crucial for professionals who need to maintain a comfortable seating position while working. Key features include a strong, wide aluminum leg base paired with a high-quality hydraulic system, ensuring that the chair is both lightweight and sturdy enough to support up to 500 pounds. This means it's built for longevity and safety, even for individuals with heavier loads. The seat is upholstered in durable, waterproof, and abrasion-resistant vinyl, making it easy to clean and maintain. The molded foam base, paired with a memory foam top, offers excellent comfort, adapting to your body for long-lasting support throughout the day. Industry-leading gas lift cylinders allow for smooth height adjustments, and the elastic polyurethane wheels provide quiet, seamless movement across various surfaces. Whether you're on hard floors or carpeting, these wheels glide effortlessly. The adjustable backrest adds to the comfort by giving you the flexibility to tilt the backrest to the ideal angle. This feature is especially beneficial for professionals like dental hygienists who often need additional lumbar support during long, repetitive tasks. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. I've had the chance to test this chair for a few days, both in a professional setting and for some at-home work. The chair was easy to assemble right out of the box, and it took just a few minutes to get everything adjusted to my liking. When it comes to comfort, the ergonomic saddle design did exactly what it promised. The chair encourages a natural, upright posture, which took a bit of time to get used to compared to standard office chairs, but I found myself experiencing less back fatigue after sitting for long periods. The memory foam cushioning felt supportive but not overly soft, providing the right balance of comfort and firmness. As far as usability goes, the height adjustments were smooth, and the swivel motion was effortless. The polyurethane wheels made it easy to glide across both tile and carpeted floors without any jerking or squeaking. The adjustable backrest was particularly useful, offering relief for my lower back by giving me the option to lean back slightly when needed. Now onto the pros and cons. Pros: ergonomic design helps reduce back and spine strain during long sitting sessions, making it great for professionals. High-quality materials, including memory foam, waterproof vinyl, and durable aluminum, ensure long-term comfort and durability. The adjustable backrest is a game-changer for personalized support. Smooth rolling polyurethane wheels make it easy to move across various floor types. Cons: the saddle design might not be for everyone. Some might find it a little too different from traditional office chairs. Assembly can be a little tricky, especially for those not used to putting furniture together. When it comes to value for money, this chair is priced on the higher end, but considering its durability, comfort, and the premium materials used, I'd say it's a solid investment if you're someone who needs to spend extended hours sitting in one place. The 500 pounds weight capacity and high-tech gas lift are features that make it stand out from cheaper alternatives. If you're in a profession that demands hours of sitting or moving around on a chair, it's definitely worth considering. Comparing this to similar products on the market, many ergonomic saddle chairs are priced similarly, but the added benefits of memory foam, premium wheels, and adjustable backrest set this one apart. Cheaper options may not provide the same level of adjustability or durability, so it depends on your needs. As for build quality, the materials feel solid, and the aluminum base gives the chair a premium feel. The hydraulic system works flawlessly, and the chair remains stable even with frequent adjustments. The vinyl upholstery is easy to wipe clean, and I didn't notice any wear after several uses. Finally, in terms of longevity, this chair is designed to last. The materials used are meant to withstand the wear and tear of daily use in high-demand environments. Given Dash 1-year warranty, I feel confident that if anything goes wrong, customer support will step in, though I haven't needed to reach out so far. In terms of product alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are several ergonomic chairs that offer similar back support, but you may not get the same high-end features like memory foam and the robust hydraulic lift. If you can compromise a bit on some of the extra features, those options can be more accessible price-wise. To wrap up my final verdict, the Pneumatic Swivel Rolling Saddle Chair is an excellent choice for those who need both mobility and long-lasting comfort, especially for professionals in fields like hairstyling, dentistry, or massage therapy. Its ergonomic design and premium build quality make it worth the price, though it might not be the best fit for someone who prefers a more traditional chair style. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning into Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.